What do you do with a drunken Mookie? What do you do with a drunken Mookie? Give her belly a tummy rub. Give her belly a tummy rub. Top of the morning to you. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie, and we just want to wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day. We're going to go celebrate by going to an Irish bar. It's called Fionn McCools, and it's located in Cross Iron Mills, just north of Calgary here. First up, Mookie and I are going to make a couple Irish drinks. Are you ready, Mookie? All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm getting this from diffordsguide.com, and it's called an Irish Boulevardier. So very simple drink. I got a glass of ice. We're going to go 1 ounce of Campari. So it's sort of like an Irish Negroni, I would say. So that's an ounce of Campari. And then I got some nice Irish whiskey. We're using Bushmills today. So 1 ounce of Bushmills. And then 1 ounce of Martini Rosso. So it's 2 of the 3 ingredients in a Negroni. And then I'm just adding some Irish whiskey. And then I have a nice green lime wedge as a garnish. And that's an Irish Boulevardier. My second drink, I'm actually getting it from Bushmills.com. That's the Irish whiskey here. And it's called The Daisy. I got some nice lime chili. It's Mexican. It's called tagine. So I'm just going to give a little lime rub around the rim. And we're going to season the rim with the lime chili. Just kind of like you would like a margarita with the salt. So here we go. This is called a Daisy. So it's 2 ounces of Bushmills. That's the Irish whiskey for St. Patrick's Day. We'll add a little ice. And that's 1 shot of Bushmills, 2 shots of Bushmills, and then 1 ounce of pineapple juice. So we're keeping a little tropical here, Mookie. So a shot of pineapple, and then we got some fresh lime. I'm just going to use the juice of a half lime. And then I have some agave syrup. And again, I got the lime wedge as a garnish, and that's called The Daisy from Bushmills.com. And coming up next, we're going to Fionn McCools at Cross Iron Mills, so check it out. watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar, St. Patrick's Day 2023 edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Mookie and I'm Chappie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.